Hello everyone, welcome to this introductory class on data collection tools using KoboToolBox, KoBo Collect and XLSForm. Remember, this is a powerful free open source tool that can revolutionize how we gather reliable field data, especially in challenging environments. Consider to like and subscribe. This is going to be a journey from beginner to advanced. So we shall begin by opening a new Excel file on our desktop. We have a sample questionnaire here, sample biodata form, which we are going to build. Maybe I can put this on the side. I have my Excel file on the side as well. So for a simple data collection form, consider this as your first. We always have three worksheets, and that is the survey sheet, the choices sheet, and then settings. Just like that. So on the survey sheet, in our very first row, we shall have type, we shall have name, and we shall have label. These are good enough, but we can add required and maybe hint. Okay. Then on the choices sheet, we have list, underscore name, and then we have name, and then we have label. All of them are in lowercase. For the settings, for now, even if we don't put anything, we can still have our form running. So quickly, this column which has type is where we shall put the data types of the data that we are going to collect. This is a name which is unique, like a unique ID, doesn't have spaces, and this column can't have duplicate values. Then the label is what the person filling in the questionnaire will see on their screen. Required, this will specify whether the question is mandatory or not. And then hint usually provides some basic information. Okay. Alright, so when we come here, we have list name, as we are going to see, and then we have name, which is also unique for a certain group of choices, and then label, which are the ones that will display on the screen when the person is collecting data. Alright, so looking at our sample biodata form, okay, there are two things which I usually do. I usually have a start, then end, and then today, and today. These three guys, we call these guys metadata. What it does, this one records the start time of the survey. This records the end time of the survey when the person has finished entering the data, and then this collects the date of the survey. When was the survey done? This won't appear in your form, but that data will be collected. So when you are previewing your data, you'll see that these three columns are there. So I always like them because there are others like unique ID, but these are, I usually consider these ones because they are very key. They give you that kind of information. So we can go back to our form. Number one, we have name of respondent, and this is a text. So I can put text in data type, then I put name here, and then here I can just come and copy this label. Is it mandatory? Yes. So I put true. If it is not mandatory, you can either leave it blank or you put false. And number two, I have gender. So this shall be a choice question, which is a single choice. So I put select underscore one, and maybe I can put GEN. Here I will put gender, and then I can put gender of the respondent here. Is it mandatory? Yes, it's mandatory. Okay, so if you can see very well, you say I'll put select one gen. Now this is where I would put these choices. So what you do, you get this group name, you bring it under choices, you paste it here. So we have male, female, and rather not say. So I can bring them here like this. Okay, let me remove the numbering so that they are uniform. Since they are under one question, they shall have the same list name. And then for the names, I can just put numbers like 1, 2, and 3. So that one is done. Next question, age group. Still it is the same. Select one. Then I can put here, let's say age. So I can put age group. You realize I have age underscore group. I told you this column you can't have spaces within. Then I can put the label which the person filling the form shall be able to see. Age group of the respondent. Is it mandatory? Yes, it's mandatory. Okay, so let's define our choices. I copy this age. I paste it here. How many are they? There are 4. So I can copy them here. Control C. Okay, they are here. So I can again put 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is fine because this is one group. So whether as long as 1, 2, and 3 are in one group, I can as well put them here in another group of choices. So this is fine under the choices sheet. Next question is select region. Select your country of origin. Okay, be fast. Select your country of origin. I can put country here in the name. This is also a select one. Okay, then I have highest level of education, which is a text. So I bring it here. You can put like education and then email address. For now, I advise you to put it as text as well. In the other advanced classes, I shall show you how to configure it such that it shows as an email address. Okay, let's say all of our things are mandatory. Maybe I can put a note. Note 1. Thank you. Alright, so as you can realize, on country and religion I have others specify, so I need to define that. So on country I will insert a row, and the same as on the region. So if I am to specify, then that should be a text. In other words, I have to type. Okay, I can put other country. Okay, then I put specify your country of origin if not listed. Let's say someone wasn't from these options that we have put here. So I'll put true, it is mandatory, and now this will make me have to open up another item which is called relevant. So what this relevant does, it's the skip logic, the common skip logic, okay? So if I want this question to appear, this text question, then I have to specify countries. Other specify is number 9. So I'll come here under relevant. Since it is select one question, I put a $sign. And then I select this unique name where the selection is made. In other words, I'm telling the Excel to say that if anyone selects 9, you display this one so that they specify which country they are coming from. The same applies here. We We shall see much of this in our other advanced classes, so be sure to subscribe so that you keep getting updated. So for the case of religion, other specify is number 5. Okay, so I'll put religion. If the person select number 5, please make this one pop up. And we are done. Simple as that. So I can come and save desktop. I can call our thing sample Validator form. Okay, so here we are done. We can check whether the thing is working, whether our form is working perfectly well. There is this item which was produced by the KoboToolBox called a KoBo Collect family. It is an online validator where you can validate your forms. I'll put the link in the description. So I have it here. You can go and choose your file from desktop, sample by data form, and then you submit. So if you have any error, it can be listed here. If there is no error, it will show you download XForm or preview in the browser. So let's preview for now so that we see how our form looks like. And boom, this is it. Sample by data form, name of respondent, gender, age group, your country, religion. Okay, and like I told you, the metadata rather, the start, end, and today they won't show in the form, but once data is collected, those columns will be indicated. When the data was collected, then the start time of the survey and the end time of the survey. So you can put everything. You can select. When you select other specify, you realize to bring out this, specify your country of origin. Then the rest are okay. Still on the region, we select other specify to bring out this. Then highest authentication, email address. I will tell you in the other interactions how to configure this such that it collects the actual correct and valid email address. Thank you for today. Bye.